Sawadika. My name is Anchalee and I'm from Thailand. Also living in Koh Phangan. And the reason that I choose One Yoga is because I really love the teacher here. I love people who working here, the nature, the environment and everything. It makes me feel safe and I feel like that I'm living in my place, in my home. And this course TTC, it's changing my life. It's not just about doing asana. Yoga is about everything that you get involved into your life. Everything you say, every action is a part of you, and this is that make me realize from what I'm learning from this course. And I would love to say thank you so much for One Yoga to make this up an opportunity for me and for everyone. In the end, we become like a friend and family. It's more than just study. It's love that we get from here. I totally recommend to One Yoga. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ I hope to see you here.